I was sent these stackable bracelets and I'm gonna put them on for you, but one thing I noticed right away was just how heavy it is. So they are really nice, heavy, legit bracelets, handmade with love. I love that as well. Let's go ahead and open this up. Have the beaded one. This one does have stretch to it, so you can just pop that one right on. And then the rest have the little lobster clasp. This one's really delicate. I love that, so pretty. And then you have the paperclip style, really trendy. And then we have the chain and a second paperclip style. So what's really cool is you can mix or match. Like if you just wanna wear one or two or three, you can. If you wanna wear all of them, you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and I'll show you what it looks like with all of them on. And on. I wear my watch on my right hand, so I put them all on my left. And one thing is when you put on bracelets by yourself, sometimes it's really difficult with the clasp, but I didn't have any issues, so that was great. I have them kind of spaced out right now, but obviously when you're wearing them, they'll kind of cluster together. They have that really pretty gold sparkle to them, and these are 14 karat gold plated, so they're going to last you a really long time, and they're comfortable as well. I have pretty small wrists, they fit great, and I was able to kind of have a little bit extra on some of them. But if you have larger wrists, you should be good to go as well. So beautiful set of bracelets. You can wear them all together or you can wear them one at a time, and I think you're gonna love them.